come to life. I am Control Freak.
A couch potato with a souped-up remote. I'm petrified.
You will be. You will be.
Oh, make it go away.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the scariest night of your lives. Maybe Control Freak's monsters didn't scare you, but this movie is going to freak you out. Whatever. I really ought to get rid of that thing.
Ooh, look out, y'all, big scary monkey.
Yeah, Raven. You should have seen the look on your face. You mean this look? No, that's more angry than scared.